Okay guys, let's have a look at question 8 then. Here's our information. We got A as 2.8, we got B as 3.2, we got the angle A as 29 degrees, 3 of any 4 so to speak. So we can use this to find out B, and once we know B, we'll be able to find out C, won't we? So let's put the values in. So 2.8 over sine 29, sine A, equals B, 3.2 over sine B. Okay, so now we'll move the sine B up to the top, there, from divide to times, leave the 3.2 where it is, move up the sine 29 from divide to times on that side, and at the same time move the 2.8 from times to divide. So there we are, that's sine B. So, B equals then, shift sign both sides, so we get B, the inverse sine of this thing here, 3.2 sine 29 over 2.8. Okay, that's it. Let's tap it in the calculator then. Shift sine 3.2 times sine 29. Close that sine bracket. Divide by 2.8. Close the shift sine bracket. Equals 33.65. Yeah, agreed? To 2dp. 33.65 degrees. There's B. Now, that's one possibility, but remember when we're doing inverse sine from 0 to 180, because those are the angles that we could consider for possibilities for angle in a triangle, then inverse sine, you've got CAST. So we're going to get these two values in here from this, aren't we? The first one gave us 33.65. The next possibility would be 180 minus the 33.65, wouldn't it? And is that a possibility? Well, you'd need to add that angle. This is angle, that's B. This would be the sum of these two. When you add 29 onto that, you still get less than 180. So yes, it is a possibility, isn't it? So it's okay. So B is equal to that, or you get 180 minus 33.65. Let's tap that in. 180 minus 33.65, and we get 146.35 was the other possibility. We'll double check that it's okay when we work it through now, won't we? So we find C now. So C will equal then, well, it'll be 180 minus A, 29 minus the 33.65, or 180 minus 29 minus 146.35. These are the two possibilities then, aren't they? So let's do the first one. 180 minus 29 minus 33.65, and we get 117.35 degrees. So that's the first solution. Or the second solution, go to our calculator, let's toggle back, oops, and let's, instead of that 33, we want 146.35. And the key is, will this give us an angle that's acute? It does, but only just 4.65. So it gives us a positive value, which is what we needed, 4.65 degrees. Okay then, so for the answer for question 8 then, what we did was we did the shift sign. We realized there's two possibilities. We looked at whether this was too big, this answer here. We realized it wasn't, because here it is here. When you add 29, you still get less than 180. And here's the 4.65 it could equal in that case. The other case, it just follows easily as usual. All right then, so there's the two answers for the value C in question 8. Good, let's go on to the next one. Great.